Okay, I want to show you a great idea here. The market is starting to demand things like this for a special needs family member or a mom and dad that wants to be close to the family. You can only get to this end of the home through the sliding glass doors I just walked through, or through its own entrance. It's not, there's no doors or anything from home to home, but it's just a neat idea. Good size little unit here. It's kind of like an efficiency. Full size kitchen, just does not have a stove in it. Does have a microwave, and that's a washer and dryer right there. Nice size bath, and this would easily work out for a special needs family member, or mom or dad, or mom and dad that wanted to live close to the family. Great idea, and same quality over here.